Good morning children, hope you all are fine. In our previous video, we were doing chapter 4 from your English grammar book, that is noun numbers. Now what is number? Number indicates whether the noun is singular or plural. And singular and plural comes under countable noun. All countable nouns are singular and plural. Now what is uncountable noun? Uncountable nouns are those nouns which you cannot count them. They are always in their plural form, like milk, cheese, perfume, rice. You cannot count them, okay? So they all comes under uncountable noun. And we have also done rules regarding formation of plurals. Today we will do exercises from this chapter. Now let's start our class.
Now students, first we will do our homework part which I have given you in my previous video. The question was, fill in the blanks by choosing the correct form of the verb from the bracket. So you have to choose a verb which are given in the bracket. What are verb? Verb are the action words in a sentence and they are the main part of a sentence. They tells about what a subject is doing. So now see the first one. Mathematics dash not a difficult subject. So here is will come because mathematics is a singular, and I have told you in my previous video only कि is used where the noun is singular and are is used where the noun is plural. Now see the second. Mohan's shorts are loose. Here are is used because shorts is a plural. Now see the third one. What is the news that you have brought? So here is will come because news is a singular. It looks like a plural but it is singular. Now see the fourth one. The scissors that you got are lost. Here are will come because scissors you are talking about means scissors is a plural. So are is used here. Now see the fifth one. His cattle are grazing in the field. Here are will come because cattle is a plural form and it is singular also. Now see the sixth. The furniture in my room is new. Here furniture is always singular. Okay. Now see the seventh. The information provided is wrong. Information is also singular. Those women are dressed beautifully. So here we are talking about women. Women is plural. So here are is used. Now see the ninth. The police are chasing the thieves. Here are is used because police is a collective noun and it is in a form of plural. So here are will be used. Now see the 10th one. My spectacles are with my mother. Here we are talking about spectacles means glasses. So they are in plural form. Here are will be used. Now students, now take another exercise. In this exercise you have to choose the correct alternative to complete the sentences. Means you have to choose one alternative. See the first one. Rahul's trousers are new. So here what will come? Here trousers will come because here they are talking about plural. Are new. Are is used where there is a plural noun. So here trousers will come. Now see the second. The first innings is over. So here is there. So what will come? Inning will come. Now see the third one. Does he have two wives? So here what will come? Wives will come because here you are talking about two. So two means plural. Two wives. Now see the fourth one. I got those watches yesterday. So here you are talking about plural. So watches will come. Now see the fifth one. She got a new pair of jeans. So we will, which one is right here? Here jeans is right because there are some noun who always used in plural form. Now see the sixth one. My mother brought 2 dozens mangoes. So here what will come? Dozen. Okay, now see the 7. Our teacher gave us a lot of informations. So here information will come. Now see the 8th one. Her mother-in-law. Her mother-in-law is very caring and nice. So here what will come? Here mother-in-law will come. Okay. Now see the 9th one. Those loaves of bread are delicious. So here what will come? Here are, it is talking about plural noun. So here loaves will come. Now see the 10th one. He put both his feet in water. So here both is means you are talking about plural. So here feet will come. Feet is a plural form of noun. Now we have completed all the exercises from this chapter. Now let's do a quick revision what we have learned in this chapter. In this chapter we have learned that what is noun? Noun is a naming word. And what is number? Number indicates whether the noun is singular or plural. And singular and plural comes under countable noun. Okay. So here are few rules which for formation of plural. So see the first rule in this, the plural of noun is usually made by adding s to the singular. It means the plural is made by adding s. So here are few words. So you have to revise it, learn it. Now in this the words are house. House is changed to houses. Trees is changed to trees. Train, trains. Girl, girls. Kite, kites. So like this it is changed. Now see the second point. In this, nouns ending s, ss, o, ch, n form their plural by adding es. It means you will make plural by adding es. In which cases where you will get noun endings with s, double s, o or ch. For example, like bus, it is ending with s, then it will change to buses. Gas with s ending, gases. Now see the glass is there, it have double s, so it will be changed to glasses. Bench, in bench there is ch, so it will change to benches. So like this you have to change. Okay. Now see the third point. Now here one more point. Here is one point. Some nouns ending in o. There are some nouns which are ending with o form their plural by adding s. So there are some nouns which end with o, like bamboo, photos, piano. So they will change by adding s. Now see the third point. Nouns ending with y with the consonant before it form their plural by dropping the y and adding ies. By adding ies. Okay. So in this case you have to drop y. See the first one. Okay. Baby. The spelling of baby is B-A-B-Y. Okay. In this the consonant is B. Before y consonant is B. So here you have to drop y and you have to add ies. So it will become babies. Now see the second one. Army. So before y there is m. M is a consonant. How many consonants are there? There are total 21 consonants. So here m is a consonant. You have to drop y. Drop y means you have to drop means you have nikal dena, and then you have to add ies. Now see the fourth point. Nouns ending in y with a vowel before it and their plural by adding s. It means before y there will be a vowel. So you have to add s. Now you can see there how many vowels are there? There are total 5 vowels. A, E, I, O, U. Okay. Now see the boys. The spelling of boy is B-O-Y. So before y O is there. O is a vowel word. So here you will add s. Okay. Toys. O is a vowel. S you have to add. Race. Like this you have to do it. Okay. Now see the fifth point. Nouns ending in f or fe form their plural by changing fe or fe into ves. In this you have to add ves. See the first one. leave, here you have to change F, you have to drop F and then you have to write VES. Calf, calves, self, selves. So like this you have to change. Some nouns ending in F or double F form their plural by adding S. So there are some nouns which end by F or double F. So you have to add S in order to make their plural form. Now see the 6th point. A few nouns form their plural by changing the vowel. Now see the 6th point. A few nouns form their plural by changing their vowel. So there are few nouns which change their vowel like man, men, woman, woman, tooth, teeth. So like this you have to change. Noun, 7th point. Nouns consisting of several words change into plural by adding S to the main verb. So here are few nouns which change by adding S to the main word. So see the first one, passer by. So here passer will be changed to passers by. Second, son-in-law. Here son is a main word, so it will change to sons-in-law. See the third example, maid, servant. So here servant is a main word, so it will change to maid, servants. Now see the 8th point. Words of Greek or Latin origin form their plural according to the rules of their language. So there are few nouns, there are few words which change according to their language. So radius will be changed to radii, analysis will change to analysis. So like this it will change. 9th point. Some nouns change completely to form their plural. So there are few nouns which change completely, so to form a plural, like ox is changed to oxen, child to children. So like this it will be changed. Now see the 10th point. A few nouns have the same form in their singular as well as plural. There are few nouns which are same as singular as plural, like sheep, deer, fish, score, trot. So here are few examples. Now see the 11th point. Some nouns are only used in the plural form. So there are few nouns which are always used in plural form. They do not have their singular form, like scissors, trousers, jeans, spectacles, binoculars, drawers, tongs, shorts. Now see the 12th point. A few collective nouns, though singular in form, are used as plural. Means there are few nouns which are in singular but they are always used in plural form, and like people, police, cattle, poultry. So they all are plural. They are always used in plural form. Now see the 13th point. Some noun seems to be plural in form but used as singular. So there are few nouns which are seen, means by when you will see then you will feel like they are in plural but they are always used in singular form, like athletics, economics, mathematics, news, politics, Mises, inning, civics, electronics, brilliance, rackets, etc. So there are some nouns which seems to be plural but they are used in a singular form. So now we have revised all these rules for the formation of plural. Now this is your homework.
Now students, your homework for today is question, give the plural form of the following nouns. Means there are words, they are in their singular form, you have to give their plural form. So the words are analysis, wolf, life, commander-in-chief, calf, louse. Okay. Now the second question is, give the singular form of the following nouns. Means they are in their plural form, you have to write their singular form. So the words are ponies, axes, radii, information, police, dwarf. Okay, now do your homework, and if you have any doubts regarding any topic or any chapter, just leave a comment below my video. I will clear your doubt. So now in next class we will take a poem from your literature book, that is We Have Been Friends Together. So now we will meet in our next class. Till then, be safe and stay at your home.